Hi everyone, my name is Sophia and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a closet transformation video, and I am so excited to show you guys everything that I've done to my closet, or I will have done. This is actually before I even start. I have a whole vision of how I wanted my closet, and I have narrowed it down to kind of a design that I am liking that will work with the space that I have, because I have very limited space. My closet is this one right behind me. I have pants there, don't worry about them. But yeah, it's just this long closet, not a walk-in, not a very deep closet or anything like that, and there's just one bar and a little shelf on top of it. That's what came with the closet. I added a dresser and shoe shelves. That's it. And then I do have a dresser over there, and I love it because I have extra storage, but even then still I feel like I want more, and just like more of like an organized way of like finding my clothes, storing my clothes, and all of that jazz. So yeah, my dad and I are tackling this project this weekend, and we are going to completely redo the closet, go a full 180 and change the whole thing up. And we actually bought an IKEA pack system, and I'm really excited about it because we already started on it prior to this video. I didn't really want to put that in the video because it's kind of just like a side project. The whole video is kind of like redoing the whole closet, not just doing a packs system, but I will talk about it and show you guys it in the video. But yeah, I don't want to ramble on too much because I know no one really came for this intro. You want to see the actual like reveal and the actual process and everything. But yeah, we added a pack system, and we're going all around that one pack system. It's like the smaller one, and just adding on to that around it in the closet. So yeah, I have a whole design, and I had a little design process with my sister, who is an architect, so she used ArchiCAD or something like that, and we designed it. And then my dad and I designed it with the dimensions because he's also an architect, so we designed it with like the full dimensions with that, also like with also with that program. So it's been great because we have the dimensions and know exactly what we need to buy, and that's what I definitely recommend, is to completely design the closet with the dimensions and everything that you need before you even go and buy anything. But yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys everything and really excited to get into this. So let's just move on to the closet. Alright you guys, so I want to explain kind of the design of my closet, because we did end up going with a pack system from IKEA for the main part of my closet. Basically the way that IKEA pack system works is that they have different sizes of the packs, and it's just like a frame where you can add drawers, you can add shelves, you can add doors, like little closet doors. You can have like glass front drawers or just regular white drawers. I think they have it in black as well, like the whole system in black. I'm doing the white one, so it's all just like really white and sleek. And I'm putting drawers at the bottom, like in the design that I showed you guys of my closet that I did with my sister. I'm doing drawers at the bottom and shelves at the top. But IKEA has this really cool tray drawer where you can like put, like, it's like a jewelry tray, but like a long jewelry tray drawer, which I'm also putting in there with a glass shelf on top of it, so nothing's like touching my jewelry. And that's at the top of the drawers, so that I have the tray, a glass front drawer, and just white drawers. And I'm gonna put everything down in the description below of all of the things that I used, but I can also link where you go on IKEA to design the closet. Sadly, I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you guys. I've tried designing it and recording my screen, and it just hasn't worked, but hopefully I'll find a way to do it and you'll be seeing it throughout the time that I'm talking about this. But yeah, you just pick a packs. I picked the smallest one, and then I added my shelves, I added my drawers, and you just pick between all the little things that they have on there, and then you just buy everything, and it all comes like obviously separate, but then you just put it in together. And the instructions for everything was pretty easy. My dad and I built the frame, the drawers, and everything in one day, and all we haven't done is put the shelves in, because I haven't decided how like far I want some shelves. I think they're all going to be like evenly distributed throughout the pack system, but I might want one that like is a little bit open so I can hold some stuff in there. But we'll see what fits and what doesn't and all that stuff. But I'm so excited for you guys to see the finished closet when I can finish it. But for right now, for this clip, it's really all you're gonna see. All right, so the pack system is very tall. I definitely won't be using the whole like length of it or the height of it because my closet is super tall, but the door obviously at some point doesn't let me like, you know, access anything above. So yeah, for now we put in the tray and the drawers. The glass front or the glass shelf is going to go over the tray so that there's nothing touching the stuff on the tray, but we didn't want to put that up yet because it could break. And then the rest of the shelves, again, we didn't put them up because we don't know where we're going to put them and what's going to look good when we put this in the actual closet and see what will fit. But I have 4 shelves, so if anything we'll return 1 or something like that if it doesn't fit. But yeah, this is the tray. I really like this. I think it's going to be really great for like jewelry storage and all that stuff. As you can see, it has like a soft close system thing that I love. This one actually sadly got a little ruined, so if anything we'll have to replace this at some point or something, but it's the glass front drawer, which I really love. This one I tried putting some stuff in just to see what fits, so it's like my flowy shorts and stuff. And then this is one that looks good in the back. And so yeah, I have 4 regular drawers and then 1 glass front drawer, which is really cute. And the tray and yeah, the shelves. I am really thankful because my dad actually built this whole thing basically. Like I helped a few times when we were building the actual frame, but I ended up doing stuff that day and he like really did hold it down and help and do all of the stuff. So thank you, Dad, if you're watching this. But yeah, so yeah, the closet like revamp and everything starts next weekend, and we're gonna like take everything out and just paint and fix the floors and everything, add some rods to the pack system in the wall, add some shelves onto the wall for shoes, all of that stuff we're gonna do in hopefully a weekend. So I'm super excited about it and I'm really ready for it. So I'll see you guys then. So I'm gonna put my things from my closet into this garment rack thing. I have 2 of them, so hopefully most of my clothes fits on there, and we're just gonna put that maybe in the other room or something. I don't know, but yeah, I'm about to build this and I'll show you guys when it's done. Bye.
Good evening, Steve. Just put everything in the oven, Carl.
I did it. Alright, so hopefully you can see, but now I'm just going to take some stuff out of my closet and put it on the rack. So I'm going to start off with my bottoms, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to get rid of some stuff if I think I need to. Alright, so I've done some damage. I put all my bottoms in my jackets, and so now leftover is all of my tops, which is a lot, and I know it's going to be definitely a thing. And then all my dresses and rompers and things like that. And then I have this dresser and shoes. So I'm going to put some of my boots on this thing that's full of clothes right now. But yeah, I'll come back with you guys when my closet is basically empty, or when we're doing our next area of the project. All right, you guys, the closet is empty. I feel so weird. I feel like I'm moving out, but yeah, there's the dresser. The carpet is disgusting, and this is the sweetest thing. We used to have, I'll try to find a picture and put it up, but our childhood room had these butterflies all over it because we had this little paint roller that painted on butterflies. And we just decided to do some in the closet because just for fun. And yeah, so I'm kind of sad that we're gonna have to paint over it, but it's fine. All right, so it is like demo day, I guess you could call it. I'm getting rid of everything in there, the rod, the shelf, everything. And I have this old t-shirt on. It's not even old, actually. I got it when I went to Florida. And I've been using this face wash that has benzoyl peroxide in it, and it bleached my whole shirt. So, yeah. Anyways, onto this. We've got all of the tools here, but we're having trouble taking this thing off because, I don't know, we're just having trouble taking it off, but here's the process.
Hi.
We just sanded and now we're about to patch up all the holes and everything and then paint or something. Yay. Alright, so my dad's helping me with this, so I'm gonna go assist him with something on his boat while the paint that we kind of did, it's really lackluster, honestly. But while the paint dries, we're gonna do that and then come back, do the floors, patch up some stuff, and yeah, I'm excited. All right, quick update. It is like 12 at night. I haven't made an update in a while, but yeah, we just painted today. We patched up holes, but they ended up being still not completely dry, so we patched them up again after we painted. We let it all sit. It's basically dry now, and tomorrow we'll just touch up the spots that need extra touch-ups, and then we're gonna do the floors and the shelves and everything else. We will probably finish tomorrow, so that's exciting. Let me show you guys the floors that we got. These are the floors we ended up with. They're really nice. Just like kind of white floors. They're the Brooks Meadow Oak waterproof flooring from Home Decorators. So that's cool. And yeah, I'm excited to put the flooring in just to kind of see how it transforms the bottom of the closet and kind of goes with all the white. And yeah, we didn't do anything that like matches my floors in my room. It's a mess in here, but those are my floors. But we didn't do that because we couldn't find anything that was completely like a perfect match, and I just decided I wanted white, so that's what we did. All right, the floor is going in today. I just painted on to the patches that we did to the wall, and they might need another hand of paint because we made some holes that were pretty deep. So yeah, but here's the floor. I honestly really like it, and I wish my whole room was this floor, but we wanted to keep it all white and just kind of redo the carpet because the carpet was really ugly and gets really dirty. I am freshly showered. I feel really good, and my dad got us coffee this morning, which was really sweet. And yeah, so now we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna get started on other things. And also the doors and this like trim is like a yellowy color from like the previous owners of this house, and I never painted it when I painted my room. But we're gonna do that with a different type of paint. I think it's like a little bit glossier, and we're gonna do that by just taking the door off the hinges and painting that with the doors off and then letting them dry and then putting them back on, so that we didn't have to waste our time doing that. We wanted to get the closet finished first, and like I can keep it open for a while. It doesn't really matter to me. So we just made little holes in the wall here just to kind of have a template of where my shoe shelves are gonna go, because I'm putting them on the inside of the closet. And yeah. All right, we've made progress. We put the shelves in. I'm not like the biggest fan of how they come out, but if we cut them shorter, my shoes wouldn't like fit completely on the shelf. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It'll look better when there's actual shoes on there and stuff. But yes, that's what we've done so far. We have to like actually put some support on them to make sure that they don't fall, obviously, but they're like supported on the wall. So yay. All right, we're having the most trouble putting this pack system in because we had to take the back off to get it to actually go in. This has been treacherous doing this, but yeah, and it's like completely to the front. It's crazy. And yeah, this is what we're working with. All right, so this is what it's looking like. I'm going to show you guys in a second. It's basically done, except for at the bottom we're putting like another long shelf so that I can put some stuff like shoes, extra shoes, and not have them like just sitting on the ground. And then I'm also going to fix up the areas that we like made mistakes and like kind of scuffed the wall. So there's that. But there are all the rods and all of the stuff. Guys, here it is. It looks amazing. I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. I have boxes up there on the shelf. I have this rack with all my tops all the way here, and then this rack with bottoms and jackets and cardigans. Over here I have sweaters on the top shelves. I put some stuff here. I have the tray, just all that stuff, more drawers, my dresses and stuff here. This is what the shoe area turned out like. And then I have like totes up there. I look super crusty, but I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for following along on this little process. I think that the closet turned out perfect for my needs and just the design that I had overall. It looks really, really nice and organized and just really put together now. And I am really thankful to my dad for helping me so much with this closet renovation. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, more organization videos, more beauty videos, fashion, lifestyle content, follow along on this YouTube by subscribing, and follow along on my Instagram and TikTok at ss.alonso, at ss.alonso, my last name. And you can see like outfit posts and beauty posts and reviews on TikTok and the same stuff on Instagram. So I hope you guys enjoy that and you stick around because I would really love it. I'm really trying to grow my social medias and stuff, so one step at a time and one person at a time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video again, and I hope you guys have an amazing day, night, week, year, life, whatever time you're watching this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.